Today on the bench, we have my own personal saw. It's an oldie buddy goodie. Husqvarna 55 air injection. Just put a new bar on it, new chain. So I made a couple cuts with it, as you can see there. So just looking to make sure everything as far as the oil goes is good. So generally, after every time I use it, I clean out the bar area and where the oil goes into the bar and the chain. So we'll kind of walk through that real quick. Again, simple maintenance on a chainsaw to avoid failure. So this all comes off. You can see kind of the grime and everything that we had with it. Let's see here. Get the air. So important thing is, you can see on the top hole right there, that's where the oil actually comes from, like the bar oil. Comes in, lubricates the bar, lubricates the chain. Oil is pertinent when you're cutting, obviously for the chain wear as well as the saw. So let me go ahead and clean this off. Alrighty, and everything goes back as it generally is. We didn't mess with the chain, but I can show you how to adjust that. Again, pretty basic saw maintenance. We go through, we check the spark plugs, make sure the chain's good, tight, oil, lubrication, etc. Just like that. And we are good to go for another day.